They'll learn how to read precision instruments, learn how to measure different kinds of precision instruments. They'll learn how to work with their hands, learn how to operate mills, hand lathes, and touch on some CNC equipment. I just enjoy working with my hands, working with different people, working with computers. In this industry nowadays, it's gotten to be more of a computer and hand operated type of program. So just enjoy a challenge.
There are 4 basic components to mechatronics. You've got electronics, you've got mechanical systems, you have information technology or computers, and then you have control systems. A technician that comes out with a mechatronics degree typically will work with some automation technology, and it'll be more or less an advanced manufacturing environment, and they'll be installing, operating, maintaining different types of systems.
The best types of students that thrive in the mechatronics program are ones that spend a lot of time at home tinkering with objects, tinkering with normal everyday things, and trying to figure out how they work. Not only could you make a pretty good living doing it, but you could have a tremendous amount of fun while doing it too.
Quality technician merges the ability to do statistical control along with Lean Six Sigma and continuous improvement in industrial setting. An average quality technician at a plant site would talk with management about areas of production that need to be improved or changed, and they would go down and view what's going on to figure out what can be best done to improve, cut cost, or increase quality, and then present this information back to management for further evaluation.
Central Community College has welding programs on 3 campuses, Grand Island, Columbus, and Hastings.
We offer 3 different certificates, a diploma, and a degree. So the degree is a 2-year program, and if you go 4 and get the degree, you'll end up getting all the certs and the diploma on the way there.
I chose Central Community College because it was close to my family farm, so I can go back and help on the family farm, and because of all the references that have attended here, and they have had nothing but great things to say.
The environmental safety program is a program that focuses in on environmental or EPA compliance in the United States, along with safety or OSHA compliance. It helps the students to prepare if they want to pursue a career in environmental health and safety areas within industry.